Is it visible?
Try to show me the screen, then only I can tell is it
Yeah,
visible or
okay.
yeah, now it is
Here
okay.
it is there.
Now okay. Now here is there is no problem. Just Docker is running, right?
It's again and again it's going to resource mode,
Resource
resource
mode.
saver mode. Yeah, like this. Here it is showing.
No. Click on just their tools. Click on tools. Their top.
Yeah,
Yeah, click.
okay.
Yeah, click on.
Yeah.
There. Click on Docker engine. Click on Docker engine. There it may. No, not showing anything. Now what to do there? A debug. Before the tools, one icon is there, just like a tortoise icon.
Yeah,
Yeah,
this
click
one.
on.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah. Click once.
yeah.
There, what to do? Restart Docker desktop. Restart is there. Click on that. Yeah,
This
click
one.
on that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Once you click it.
Now
Is
it
it
is
working?
closed. Na? Now again it won't open. If I try to
Okay.
open this,
Docker desktop is not working.
yeah, yes. See there. Yeah.
Okay. Try for
I'm
once.
clicking, double clicking here, but it is not opening. Again,
Okay.
when I am restarting my system, at that time
So
only it's opening.
there you set it that I think that tick mark somewhere you set it. Whenever it is started, then only it will work. That such option also is there maybe. Okay.
Okay,
That
okay.
is the problem. Okay. Again, if you restart, then only it will work. Right?
Yeah, yes. Again and again, I need to restart. At that time only, at that time also not
At the
working.
time only it will activate. That is your problem.
Activating,
I,
but not working
I
at that time also.
see. I hope I am trying to show my screen. You may understand that I may
Okay.
show you Docker desktop. There, see Docker desktop. Where is that? Docker. Yeah. Just I am clicking. Maybe I am not share. I didn't share, right? Resume.
Yeah.
See, check it. Check it on my screen. It may be visible, right?
Yes. Yeah.
It
Yes.
is
Visible.
visible. Now, what I am trying to tell you here itself, I think here or somewhere. See, open Docker dashboard, Docker desktop, start
And
Docker
Docker desktop is
desktop when you
started.
sign in.
Okay.
Yeah. See, this option already checked in your system.
Okay.
What will you do? You need to remove this.
Okay.
You need to remove. Then only it will work for any time.
Open Docker. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. First option you need to remove.
Okay. I will try it.
After that, if you maybe try to restart, maybe within 2 minutes it may restart it. Try to remove it. If any difficulty is there, again share.
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay, good. We are
Okay.
moving to the class.
Okay.
Now, I hope everybody having in our system, what is that? Helm, I think, right? I am going to check Helm in my system. Helm is working or not. CMD. There, I told right. Helm only. Just press enter. If you are getting flow, everything is fine. Everything is fine. Today only I have shown how to create our own Helm chart. But in reality, in real time, 99.9% we never create our own Helm chart. We can we can work with existing charts only. We can work with existing charts. But why I'm showing my own chart? Why I'm showing some companies, they may create their own charts. Why they may create their own charts? You may know the word reusability. You know the word reusability, right? Why should I go for other charts? I am creating my own charts. My company having R&D. R&D means research and development. They are creating their own charts. They may make use of that charts only. That is the concept. Now, anyway, try to work with existing charts. Try to work with existing charts. How much easy, how much usable, we may try to understand. I hope I shared my document, right? Everybody know it. Somewhere I shared or not. Maybe within our WhatsApp group. Check it. WhatsApp. There within the WhatsApp group. Even I may show you how to extract it, how to use it. There see DevApps may. There see this is Hell Masterclass main chip. There you may click on save it or you may try to open it. I am trying to open that stuff. I am trying to open. There click on Helm Masterclass main. There within that, Helm install is there, right? Click once. There one just readme file .md markdown file. Just I am going to double click, or you may open in notepad also. That is your wish. That is your wish. Open with or double click. Open with or double. Till now, anybody having any difficulty? Quick response. Till now, if no doubt, I am going to implement those concepts. I'm going to implement those concepts. Someone is trying to join, I hope. Yes. Now, see what they are telling is these commands they are using. Maybe till now I didn't use these commands. Today morning I worked with this command only, right? Just observe and tell me. Are you agree with me? Helm install only I used. Got it or not? Even Helm create also here is not there. I used Helm install only. Now we are trying to work with. See Helm repo add. This is the very wonderful and powerful feature. All the companies following same strategy only. Helm repo add. This is the design name. This is the repository name. This is the chart name. That's repo URL, Helm repo add. See, this is the existing one. Someone else created. We don't know who is created. Our intention is just to copy paste. Company in the sense our boss is giving one URL copy, our boss is giving one URL. Blindly, we are taking that URL, we are taking that URL, their Windows key, where is that? There. Now see CLS. Now what I am going to see Helm repo add. What does it mean? I am adding one repository. I am adding one repository. For that repo, I am giving one name. See my bitname. My bitname. Just enter. It may take it may take 1 minute. There my cursor is while not entering. Their keyboard is not working. I may take laptop keyboard. See now I got press enter. Enter. It is taking time. See my bitname has been added to your repositories. See, in our industry, Vietnam is one of the wonderful and powerful repository. It is having n number of charts. All the companies, maybe Fortune 500 companies, they are using Vietnam. They are also using Vietnam. Their requirement, their purpose. Now see, Helm, Repo, LS. What does it mean? I am able to see how many URLs, how many repositories got added. Just now, which one I got added? My Bitnami. Is it clear for you? See here. This is the name I am giving for this URL. Even I hope in Git, Git remote, Git remote REMO, Git remote. Maybe you may know origin, hit remote add, origin origin. There https colon double slash, maybe Loki Harsha HA like that slash something dot maybe ABC dot git. I hope you know, right, this type of format, or agree with me? Git remote add. What does it mean? Anyone can quick response. What does it mean? This origin? This origin is the local name for that this URL. This lengthy name each and every time. If I want to mention very complex, for that I am using this is the alternative name. This is the alias name. In the similar fashion, this lengthy name, if you want to remember complex, for that we are using this name. We can consider as a repository name. This is the repository name. I hope you got it. See Helm repo ls. See, I'm using Helm search search repo, Helm search repo. What does it mean? There I'm going to give this one. Copy it and paste it. Enter. See, I think my spelling mistake. Yeah, I got it. But it is taking time there. It is taking the time. See how many charts are there, in the sense these many charts are aware. See, in real time, we can't use more than this. But really, if you want it, you can create your own chart like that. Here, so many charts are available or not? So many charts. Here, many charts, even we didn't hear that names also. But according to company requirement, maybe some X company may use Y X chart. Is it clear for you? Is there any difficulty here? Just CLS, just CLS, Control C, CLS. Now, which command I use or observe here? Helm, search repo, that repository name. It make you all the chart name. It make you all the chart name. Even if I reduce the font size, see, I may try to press enter. I may try to, the syntax cannot, the result found, what happening,
The
any
extension
extra
remove
letters,
ls, that
yeah,
command
extra letters added.
els.
That is my bitnami, that's all. My bitnami, that's all. See, now clearly names are visible or not? Now clearly, now names are visible. In that, some names you know already, maybe which names you know, we may see one or two names. At least WordPress, you know the word wild fly, you know, there somewhere tomcat, you know, see the tomcat, you know, like that. Even Jenkins, you know, even Jenkins is there somewhere. Jenkins also. Jenkins, you know, just even you know, you may heard Kafka. Nowadays, Kafka is very powerful. Kafka, maybe HA proxy, HA proxy. Now, like that etcd, you know, right? In Kubernetes, this is the data store for a database, etcd. That is also one chart name. Consul, one chart name there. Okay, Apache, you know, even Nginx is there somewhere, check it, Nginx. We may, there, we created Nginx, right? Again, we may create, see, I am taking this one. How much time it may take? Just copy it. I don't know what to do, where to do. Simply, I'm taking Helm. First, go for kubectl, delete all, hyphen. Working with Helm is very simple, very easiest. Working with Helm is very simple, very easiest. Now, Helm, Helm, install, release name. Maybe my rel, my release, or nginx hyphen release one. Nginx hyphen release one. There I am using chart name. This is the repo name. This is nothing but chart name. Just press enter. It may take care. It may take care. See what happens when I see. It is given some information. Okay. It is given some submitted, substituted image details. I hope no need to go for all these things. No need to go for which one nginx only I created, right? kubectl, get pods first. Get pods. Why again and again I'm getting this one? No need of that. Then I may go for CLS. I may go for up arrow. Helm get pods. We may see get pods one. See, it is taking time. It is 0 by 1. Nginx release 1. There. You need to get 1 by 1. You need to get 1 by 1. There's kubectl get. Even SVC I am checking. Get SVC. Get SVC. See load balancer. Okay, that is good. Automatically load balancer got created. See, after getting 1 by 1 only we can access, right? Otherwise, no use. Otherwise, no use. Otherwise, no use. There, check it, get pods, even still not activated, CLS, there, kubectl, get pods. Now till now not activated. Now we may check it what happening at least. kubectl kubectl describe kubectl describe describe pod the pod name. Their init container is there. That is the problem internally. Maybe having kubectl describe pod name pod name. Their events are there. Any problem? Created container nginx, started container nginx. Okay, started container is saying something already. Already, what it is saying? There pulled, created, started is telling started, right? Now kubectl get view, kubectl get controls. There CLS kubectl get PO. Yeah, now it is running, right? Are you observing? Init containers may take minimum time. Init containers may take minimum time. Now simply what I am going to do, I may use localhost. I may use localhost. There I am going to use localhost. Localhost. See, am I getting output or not? Is it clear for you? Their bitnami nginx I use. In the same way, even see. There I didn't use load balancer. Already they configured load balancer. Did you agree with me? There C kubectl get SVC check it, get SVC. By default load balancer was there or not? This load balancer, if you want to convert into node port, what to do? You may go with edit option. You may go with edit option. You can edit it. You can edit. See, knowingly, unknowingly, some commands already you know. What are the commands you know? See Helm repo list. Can I use this command? Did I use already or not? Anyone respond? Helm repo list or is equals to Helm repo ls. Both are same. Helm repo list, Helm repo ls. Again, I am going to use in front of you Helm repo ls. Helm repo list. Both are same. There is no difference. I hope you got the clarity. I hope you got the clarity. What is the second command? Helm repo add. Already did I use or not? Quick response. Helm repo add. Did I use or not? Now some people may ask me. Helm repo update. What is the use of this? Helm repo add. Helm repo update. See, in my computer, how many repos are there? One, two, three, four. Maybe 6 months back I used this. 4 months back I used this. Maybe 2 years back I added this. Maybe today I added. Maybe their community people they may update their may repositories, right? In that repo they may added something new. At that time, Helm repo. Just you go for update. Helm repo update automatically all the repos if anything modified in the cloud if anything modified in the cloud that will get it and that will store it in this that will store it simply we can go for update just like a you know maybe which one I can say there what is the word here protectors which one their virus protector name, tell me anyone. I forgot that one. What is the virus protector?
KTS.
KTS. I'm expecting not the name, another name. Maybe which one? Virus protection. Virus protection purpose. We are telling the one software name, right? I'm expecting. I'm expecting. Anyone tell me other alternative name? You said that one company name.
KSM
Antivirus.
security.
Shiv Shankar, I'm expecting antivirus. Got it or not? Today I purchase okay good. Every day I'm updating or not? What is the need of update? Every day patches they may create update. All the updates I am going to adding here. Successfully. I may press enter. Even one more is see update complete. See, happy helming. What does it mean? From hereafter, you can use it. Hereafter, you can use it. Is there any difficulty for anyone? I hope someone is going to join, right? Someone is going to join. Good. Now, I hope two comments are clear. Two are clear or three are clear. Helm repo list is over. Helm repo add is over. Helm repo update is over. Helm search repo. Did I use or not? Helm search repo and that repository name. Again, I'm going to use C. Helm search repo. Helm search. That is Helm search SC search repo. Then anyone maybe Istio, you may give bitname. Simply bitname I am giving. Both are same. My bitname, both are same. There is no difference. There is no difference. Helm repo, Helm search repo, bitname. So it may show you all the chart names, multiple chart names. Even say MySQL is there, MySQL is there. Even if you want it, you can use MySQL also. Directly, if you use MySQL, you need to give some additional things, right? You need to provide MySQL root username, MySQL password. If you provide those things, then only it will work. Then only it will work. You know it, what to do, how to do. Now, what is the next one? Helm install, everybody know, right? Today morning also we worked with Helm install. If you want to install, only this one. Now Helm list, try to understand. Helm repo ls is different. Helm ls is different. Helm ls. What are the revisions? See these many. This is not required here. Just I go for CLS. Helm HELM. Just ls. Try to observe how many revisions I got installed. See, NGNX 1, NGNX release 1, just a Siva 1 release. These three different releases I used, each release having revision 1, revision 1, revision 1. See, if I do small update, I may get this one created from which one? Maybe I may go and apply it, try to understand maybe CD, I hope DevApps we created, right? Here only we created chart name dir/ed. There I hope D star. Today morning we got created or not? See, DevApp chart is there or not? CD or else. There I created only NGNX related only, right? There see, there Helm, what I use, this one only, right? Where is that? Helm install somewhere I use it or not. See Helm install. What I am going to do here, a small thing I may do small modification. In place of Helm install, I may use Helm upgrade. UPGRADA. Not update. Upgrade. Upgrade. Release name is same. Release name is same. If possible, try to modify something. Even I didn't modify anything. I didn't modify anything. Now try to understand what happening. Try to understand what happening. See the what is the number, revision number, quick observation. What is the revision number? 2. What is the revision number? 2. Now I go for CLS, Helm LS, Helm LS. Now check it. Somewhere you got to 2. See, in Kubernetes deployment, I told right, we can go for multiple deployments. Deployment 1, deployment 2, deployment 3, like that. There we can roll back. There we can roll back. Here also same facility is there. I may create how many revisions? N number of revisions for only one release. N number of revisions for one release. Slowly we can understand what is the use of revision from revision 1 to revision 2, revision 2 to revision 3. You can consider version 1, version 2, version 3. Here technical word is revision. According in general Kubernetes, version 1, version 2, version 3. See this got deployed, this got deployed. Here everything I provided documentation. Your duty is simply understanding only. Here I didn't do nothing. You may not do nothing. Our duty is understanding and implementation. If anyone tell me this is my document, I never agree. This is everything is available on the internet. Even someone he developed, right? He is also get it from. See, I may try to show you what is the power of Helm. I may show you what is the power of Helm. You may think in that way. If you think very broadly, you feel better. See, Helm, maybe just documentation. How much powerful? See, Helm documentation. This is the Helm. See, yet the package manager. See, very simple. They given Helm is the package manager for Q. Today morning I used this statement only, right? That's what I am telling. I am not using my own words. Helm is the best way to find, share, and use software built for Kubernetes. Your duty is for attaching something, for adding something, creating something, modifying something. We can do that one. We can do that one. See, get Helm, get charts there simply they are doing multiple things here. Next, future releases they are giving, developer stand-ups they are giving, they are contributing, they are giving everything they may give. Everything they may give. Our duty is properly clicking, properly understanding, properly understanding. Their sample sharing, easy updates, their Helm architecture. Even I may click Helm quick start guide. Quick start guide. This is the quick start guide. Here look like very simple. Here so many things are there. It may take nearly see how much simple they provided. Helm repo add bitnami. Here also they are taking very simple way, right? Very simple. See Helm search repo bitnami. Helm search repo bitnami. It is going to show all the charts name. Even in my document also, whatever I am having, such document I provided for you, those who developed our document, they may get it from here only. See, everything is clearly mentioned. See, Helm repo update, Helm repo update. Only repositories for updating. See, Helm charts you want to update in place of install, you need to use upgrade. You need to use upgrade. See hyphen generate name. What does it mean? Dynamically, it may take one name. Dynamically, those things we'll see. Those things. Here, see Helm list is there. Helm uninstall. This is my chart name. Helm uninstall, chart name. You can uninstall. See, they are already in my system also. There Helm LS, right? We have seen there Helm LS. See Helm there uninstall. Maybe Siva. See, it is going to release Siva uninstall. There again I go for Helm else. That is not there, right? Check it. That is not there. Like that, we can add it. We can install it. We can uninstall it. Install in the place of uninstall. In place of just uninstall. I hope you try to observe that one. That is also simple. But here already someone developed clearly. Where make use of this documentation. We are going to understand the things. Say I hope same thing I given Helm search repo, that keyword they given Helm search repo Nginx, Helm search repo Apache, Helm search repo Wildfire. They are telling Helm search repo Wildfire. Search Helm repository. We can search like this also. We can search like this also. Now install Helm chart. Already you know update Helm repo update. Already I used this command also. See Helm install. Did I use or not? Helm install. They given my nginx. This is the release name. This is important. They are asking multiple times in interview. Helm install. After that, we may use some word. What is that name? That is the release name. After that, this is the repository name. This is the chart name. This is the C repo name in your local desktop and chart name. And again and again I'm telling, I am not doing anything. Simply I am understanding, I am explaining. Your duty is also try to implement it, try to understand it. If anywhere difficulty is there, try to post it on WhatsApp group clearly and explain What was the problem? Why you got it? You may miss maybe spelling mistake, or you may miss maybe zigzag manner you may enter sometimes. Now see, Helm list. Which format you want to see? See, generally I may see like this, right? HALM, Helm list. That is okay. This list you want to see which format? You know, YML format. Helm list hyphen hyphen output is equal to YML. Helm list hyphen hyphen output is equal to just which format? YAML format. See, same thing I am getting in YML form. See, application version 1.16.0, chart version is the chart name. We can say chart version or chart name. Demo 01.0, name NGNX1. Next, namespace, default namespace. How many revisions it is having? Only one revision. Everything we are getting in the form of YML format. In the same way, you want to see JSON format. JSON format. Maybe company people sometimes they may ask, try to send in JSON format, try to send in YML format. Everything clearly it is showing. You know the difference between which one they are used. JSON only, right? See, JSON means square bracket, flower bracket, JSON format. Compared to JSON, which is the better option? YML is the better look. YML is the better understanding. But our company people they're asking try to send in JSON format. We can simply we are going to converting the output format is equal to JSON. The output format is equal to JSON. I hope they given two formats. Is the at another markup language JavaScript object notation format. See, Helm list hyphen hyphen namespace default. What is the use of this? You may ask. What is the use? See, same chart. I may add in two different namespaces. Same chart. I may install in two different. Maybe see kubectl get ls get ls. You know there are some namespaces. See, default is there, cube node lease is there, cube public is there, cube set. I may create dev apps. Kubectl, kubectl. Tell me how to create a dev apps namespace. Anyone tell me? Kubectl, create, quick
Create
response, ns, dev apps.
NS.
Are you agree with me? Yes. Kubectl. There, create. Is it created or not? Yes. See, same nginx. I want to deploy in DevOps, DevOps namespace. You only tell me, Shivshankar, I want to deploy. I want to deploy. There somewhere same thing is there. Helm install format. I am going to open. There you need to add something. You need to add something. There Helm install. Helm install somewhere is there. See, and now try to add this. Something you need to add, right?
Hyphen N DevOps.
There hyphen n. Just simply
DevOps.
there DevOps. See, here also it is creating, it is installing. Chart got installed. Here my intention is kubectl get maybe parts. From where I am getting, maybe I may use CLS, otherwise confusion. Kubectl get PO. See which PO I am getting from default parts. I want to get it same thing. Kubectl get parts. Generally hyphen n. What is that? DevApps. Hyphen n DevApps. Am I getting or not? Same thing. They are giving their format. See Helm list hyphen n default. See Helm Helm list hyphen n DEFA. This is the regarding default namespace. In the same way, I want to get it from device namespace. In device namespace, only one release is there. We can see that release name NGNX release 1. Here also NGNX release 1. Here also NGNX release 1. This is different namespace. This is different namespace. In both namespaces, our application is running. See, in Tirupati, in 4 theaters, same movie may run, right? Is it possible or not? Theater names are different, but my movie show is common. Is it clear for you? Same way, this namespace is different. This namespace is different. Here movie name is same. Here movie name is same. Here also running that movie. Here also running that movie. Maybe 4 shows per day. In the same way, two different area, same application is running. Some people may make use of this namespace, default namespace. Some people may access from this namespace. Now, I hope that get parts is clear, get parts is clear, get SVC is clear. Now, this is the some special thing. You want to see the output. You want to see the output. How can I see the output? There, there, curl, HTTPS or HTTP colon double slash localhost colon 80. Localhost colon 80. See, am I getting the output or not? Am I getting the output or not? Same thing. I may go for a hyphen n, maybe devs. I may check it from devs namespace. I am getting. See, this is the devs namespace. From that output I am getting. Here from default namespace output am I getting there. Why? As a developer, I don't want, sometimes I may not have browser access. I may not having browser access at the time. Which is the better way? Curl stands for current URL. Curl stands for current URL. Just I mention the path. Even sometimes HTTPS also will work, but sometimes the token, okay, supplied, there is no this is the security reasons that HTTPS may not support here HTTP. That they given, I think HTTP only they given check it HTTP only. Same path you need to use. You need to use on the browser also. On browser also it will work. Same thing I am taking. I'm copy paste on the browser. Same thing will work. Copy it, that I'm going to open any one browser. Maybe Chrome, maybe some other. Maybe Chrome, maybe some other. Just I'm taking here. See, whenever if I add 80, 80 may not display after running. See, 80 won't display. 80 won't display. 80 is the default port number. That is HTTP. That is HTTP. See, within 40 minutes, I covered this total documentation. This total, I think everything is clear, right? Helm uninstall. What is the name here? Release name. The release name here, my nginx data. Now quickly observe it. If maybe you want to ask, you can ask me any doubt regarding this documentation. Regarding this, if you feel better, we may go for other documentation. Here you need to understand these commands. Only these commands. Today we understood. We worked with all these commands. Did I use or not? Uninstall I use, list I use. The small difference. See, Helm repo list is different. Helm list is different. Helm repo list is, you may see repository names. Helm list is nothing but you may see release names. Though such difference you need to understand. Not an easy task. You may do several times, then only you can remember. Now it is okay. Today, okay. In interview, directly they may ask what is the difference between Helm repo list, Helm list. Even they may give repo means we may see repository names. We don't know yet. They didn't give release names, right? Helm list. What does it mean? Okay, Helm list only we will get it. They may not agree. Helm list will show. What is that? Release names. Helm list will show release names. What is the difference between Helm install and Helm upgrade? Helm upgrade. You may get new revision. You may get new revision by using Helm upgrade. Now I am going to get one more documentation. One more documentation where it is there in our WhatsApp group, right? In our WhatsApp. They are already open, but anyway, I may open once again. See, this document is over, right? You try it, install Docker desktop and other things. I hope this one already, many people know it, right? Many people, again, I am not telling, you know how to install. Even if you don't know how to install, there is no use of learning. There is no use of learning this concept. My intention is sometimes your system may not support. You may try to take the help of me or try to take the help of internet. See, without installing software, really, if you are attending my classes, that is the worst scenario. Again and again, I am telling. Even maybe I can't tell more than this. I hope you are understanding my feelings. Now see Helm upgrade with set option. What is the use of this? Now see, this is also documentation only. By using this document, we may implement those things. We may see Helm repo, Helm search repo, their Helm install, Helm just they are giving upgrade. Already user upgrade. See Helm history you want to see, Helm status you want to see. See, at least we may see these three. We may try to finish our class today. Now, just I'm going to already added, right? Helm repo list, Helm search repo. This is also, Helm search repo, Today, maybe some others. This is one Helm repo. I'm using Stack Simplify. Here they added four charts. I may try to show you. There I'm going to this. This is maybe this Kalyan Daida. They created their own charts. Just like DevApps I created, right? Same fashion. Copy it. How to add it, you may know. How to add it, you may know. Now, simply I'm going to see Helm repo add stack simplify. This is just like a repository name. Just quickly it is added. Now Helm repo, HELM, Helm repo, just LS or list, that is your wish. See, extra thing, stack simplify got added or not? Stack simplify. See, Helm, search repo, Helm, SER, Helm search repo, Helm search repo, that repository name. Copy it, there is control V pasted. I said, right, it is having multiple names. I said somewhere they added nearly 4 or 5 charts. See, chart 1, chart 2, chart 3, chart 4. Try to understand these 4 charts only. They may took maybe you UMS, some other it got created. User management, web application for learning topics. Maybe totally how many charts are there? 5 charts. They are combining, they are grouping charts, they are grouping charts. In the same way, Helm, already we used Helm search repo BATNAM, Bitnami. It is having hundreds of charts. We may see is all the multiple charts. This is one company is developing all these things. Company is developing all this developed by one person. This is one person. Maybe in future after 3 to 4 classes we may add our own charts, we may create our own charts, we may add our own charts. Even we may see that one. Now quickly this one is added, right? Helm repo list. We can already we have seen our Helm search repo. See, Helm search repo, my chart one. See, somewhere my chart one is there or not? Helm search repo, my chart one. See, check it here. My chart one is there or not? I make you same command. We may check it. Helm search, maybe CLS, there Helm repo ls, Helm repo ls. There after that, Helm search repo. What is the name? Stack simplify. Copy, control C, copy, control V. There, enter. According to documentation, what they're expecting, maybe it may not work according to, maybe Helm search repo, my chart one directly I'm giving. Helm search repo. What is the name they're giving? My chart one. I'm trying to Helm search repo, my chart one. If really it is there, we may see that one. See, this is given my chart one. This my chart one belongs to which repository? That is the stack simplify. Stack simplify is gathering. It is searching for total multiple repositories. This one belongs to so and so repository. We are getting like that. Good. Now that is install my app one Helm chart. Install install. See, Helm install. What is the name here? Release name I said. Release name I said. What I am doing? My chart one got installed. You know how to install it. You know how to install it. Now anyone, maybe girls, I am giving chance. Maybe three girls are there. Try to respond. I want to install this my chart one. Anyone can quick guidance? I want to install my chart one. Quick response. Helm install. Helm install. Helm install or Helm repo install? There Helm install, release name, REL hyphen one. Simply you need to take this one. Stack simplify. This is the copy it and paste it. That's all. You may check it. Chart got installed. Chart got installed. After installation, you need to check kubectl get PO. See, it is going to container release one, my chart one, container creating. After creation, maybe again creating. It may take time for maybe we may give chance to 1 minute or 2 minutes. CLS, we may wait for 1 minute or you may go for kubectl get SVC. Get SVC. See, here they took node port. Here they took node port. Now anyone can guide me. How can I run this? How can I run this? Suppose kubectl get endpoints and endpoints. See, for this, release one, my chart one. Now I hope pod got activated. Pod got activated. Now anyone can get me. How can I run this application? How can I run this application? 31231. 31231 is what? Which port this is? Anyone can quick response? This port belongs to
Release
which
one node
port?
pods.
This is the node port. This is the node. Whenever node port type is there, we must use node port number. What is the range of node port, Shankar? What is the node
30,000 to
port range?
36,760.
30,000 to 32767. 30,000 to 32767. Now quick guidance 31231. 31231. How to run it? Just take the browser, new tab, there localhost colon control V and G. No, not properly copied. Anyway, 31231, I think, right? 31231. If I am not wrong, see, welcome to Stack Simplify. There, this is their own content. Their own content. You know this content, how to get it. There, we are developing Maven project. They are going to create build artifact file. From that, we are going to create an image. That image is pushed into Docker Hub. That's all. Docker Hub. From Docker Hub, we are going to access into our help. Access into one day I may show you from the scratch to up to Helm. Manually, everything we may create. We worked with maybe different maybe what is that? We worked with Maven already we know. We worked with Jenkins already we know. We worked with the Terraform already we know. We worked with Ansible. If required, we may combine all the tools. We may implement it. At that time, we may take 2 hours session. Now, till now, clear, I think. Now, any new thing, just observe it, try to interact with it. See, this is the thing they used. Just they are using different version, right? Image tags. Now, I'm going to upgrade. Hyphen set. See, they used their image, maybe 1.0.0, 2.0.0, 3.0.0, 4. This is the image versions. We are going to update image version. Simply Helm upgrade. There they are giving name. Maybe I may change. I am taking same thing. I am going to change according to our wish. There copy it. There I am going to change according to our way. Simply right click. Not this one, not copied. There control V. I hope not copied properly. Not copied properly. There right click. I go copy, even it may work or not, we may check it. Yeah, good. Now what to do? What is our release name? Quick response. What is our release name? There are Helm upgrade. My release name is what? There observe here. Upgrade REL
Release one
hyphen one
version.
only, right? REL hyphen one. There stack simplify. My chart one. See, if you want to update any property, hyphen set is the best property. See, Shivshankar, I want to change 10 different properties. At that time, edit is the good one. Edit is the good one. Or maybe you may know declarative. Declarative approach is good one. There I want to change one or two properties by using hyphen set. In the same way, see image dot tag. Image dot tag version I am changing. In the same way, replica count hyphen set. Replica count is equal to 5. We can give like that also. Anyway, I'm going to change image version. I'm going to change image version. See, image version got changed. Image version got changed. Now see, two revisions we may see. How can I see two revisions? What is the command quick response? Anyone? I want to see all the releases. Helm, very simple command. Helm ls is used to see the release. This is my release name. How many revisions I got created till now? Two revisions. One is installed revision, another one is the upgraded revision. I hope I am not wrong. Up to this clear. Up to this clear. See, Helm list. This is superseded. Super deployed means this is the current version. Deployed means current version. Superseded means that is the previous version. Try to understand. Shiv Shankar, three versions are there. Which is the latest version? That is the deployed one. Remaining previous versions are superseded version. Superseded version. See, Helm list deployed. It may show that name. Helm list deployed. Copy it and try to implement. Helm list just only deployed ones you want to see. Helm list deployed. See how many deployed? These three are already deployed. You want to see superseded. Helm list hyphen super super SEDED. I hope spelling is not wrong. See superseded. For these two revisions, these two are superseded. These two are superseded. I hope is it clear for you? Why it is showing only two superseded? Here two is there, here two is there. Are you understanding or not? Shivashankar, NGRX hyphen release one only superseded, release one only superseded. Why? Here this is the deployed versions 222. In previous
They
two
are having
means
two
one.
revisions.
Previous two means one. If two more than two revisions, then only it will show superseded. Only one is there, it won't show in superseded. Got it or not? Superseded means not running. Superseded means not running. If more versions are there, try to understand. Version 1, version 2, version 3. 3 got deployed, 1 and 2 got superseded. 1 and 2 got, see, these are the superseded, these are the deployed. These are the superseded, these are the deployed. Even see, chart versions also maybe see, my chart 1, 0.1.0. Here also, what is the name they are giving? My chart 1, 0.1.0. Even we can see image versions also, right? Maybe I may show you somewhere image versions also we can see. Image versions also we can see. Now, any other new thing? Any other just get pods, describe pod, again how to see, how to see, see Helm upgrade already worked with Helm upgrade or not? Helm upgrade hyphen set again image dot tag version. Image dot tag version. This is also same thing. This is also same thing. Helm history. This is the special thing. I want to see all the images, all the release names. This is the special thing. Now try to understand. I'm going to use Helm history. History. What is the release name? Release hyphen one. Those two releases, including some extra things also, it will show some extra things. Now see, this is the chart version also. My chart 0.1.0, my chart 1 0.1.0. This is superseded. This is the deployed. Till now, There is no difference in chart, right? There is no difference in chart. Is the application version 1.0.0, 1.0.0, maybe install complete. This is the upgrade complete, update, upgrade. This is Helm upgrade I used. Here what I used? Helm install I used. I can see full history. The latest one deployed, previous one is superseded. Now, anything new here? Helm status, okay, we can see Helm status, maybe clear information. Let me see. Helm status, there up arrow in place of history. I may go for status. Helm status release one. Helm status release one. See, whenever if you deploy, install it, right? Once you installed, once you upgraded, you may see that particular information, namespace, name default, status is deployed, which revision we are in. This is the latest revision one. That information we can see at the time of installed, at the time of upgraded, whatever the information if you want to see, again you want to see, you can go with Helm status. Helm status. Maybe status in the sense you may see the information, maybe MS Word. Status means at the bottom line, which line you are in, which column you are in, which row we are in. In the same way, that is the installed information we can see. Now, good to go. I hope this one is also, Helm status. See, hyphen, show, what is that? Descending. I hope what is this mean? Helm status. Description you want to see. Helm show. Display the description message of the named release, including named release also it may show. You may check it. Hyphen, show. That is the hyphen, show description. DESC. Show description. Up arrow, show, DESC. Helm description. See, is there any difference quick response? See, upgrade is complete. This is the description. Here, is it showing anything here? Description is the extra thing it is showing, one extra line. Are you understanding or not? It's showing one extra line. In the same way, show resources. This is also special feature. What is the special feature? I deployed, okay. After deploying, how many pods created, how many services is created. See, show resources. Show RESOURCs. This is one of the powerful. Now try to understand. One pod got created, one service object. See, release one, my chart one. This is what? One deployment got created. One deployment. Within the deployment, one pod got created. Within that service, how many service got created? Even we can increase this information also. Hyphen set replica count is equal to, if you give 3, there we can see 3 parts. 3 by 3 we can get it. 3 by 3 we can get it. Here Helm status, that name hyphen revision 2. Specifically, you can see that specific status. Here how many revisions are there? You may know Helm list. That is good. There we are seeing here, there in release 1, we are having revision 1, revision 2. I want to see status regarding revision 1, status regarding revision 2. See, Helm, what you want to do, what you want to see, there you want to see Helm status. Helm STA, Helm status. Then you need to specify release name. You need to specify release name. After specifying release name, which revision you want to see? REVA, SION. I'm not wrong, right? REVA, SION. Maybe revision 1 I am giving. First revision 1 I want to see. See, revision 1 information. Revision 1, there you can see revision 1 is superseded. See, not running. You want to see, you can say 2 is running. 2 is running. If you roll back it, the 1 is deployed, 2 is superseded. If you roll back it, we may see rollback also. Rollback also. There they didn't give rollback. You may give rollback also. Helm rollback. You may try for Helm in place of status. Helm rollback. ROLLBAC. The rollback. Maybe hyphen revision release one. I may try. Rollback is working or not. This is not understood, right? Helm rollback. Here I may give Helm rollback. We need to give chart name. What is the chart name? Quick response. Helm rollback. What is the chart name here? There somewhere we have seen, right? Maybe Helm. Which chart I use, right? Which chart name? The chart name I need to use. Where is the chart name? This is the chart name, right? Now try to apply. I may rollback. I may rollback. Helm rollback in place of Helm rollback. Helm rollback. ROLLBACK. You may try in this way. If it is not working, I may go another way. Helm rollback. Directly I am giving release name. We may check it. Helm rollback release name. Got accepted. They are successfully rolled back. Successfully rolled back. Now check it. Helm LS. Again, two revisions are there. Here, check it. Again, see, even third revision. See, even third. Why third revision? It is rolled back, right? Actually, it is moving from 2 to 1. Or agree with me? 2 to 1. That 1 is converted to 3. According to Kubernetes, there is no minus. There is no minus. 1 is converted into, there already 2 is there, right? 2 plus 1, 3. 2 plus 1, 3. Like that, it can create. Like that, it can create. Even if you want to see, they are superseded which version? There. Helm, Helm LS, Helm LS. There. What is the command actually? I want to see superseded. I want to see
Helm
superseded.
status.
Helm status, right? Yes. Helm status. There hyphen first deployed, right? Helm status. I hope directly deployed or not. Any other thing? Is it correct only? Am I correct or wrong? I think something going wrong. Helm status. After that release name you need to mention. What is the release name? REL hyphen. Then you need to give deployed hyphen deployed. There's something going wrong, Shankar. Check it. Helm status. The release name only, right? Release name hyphen DEPLO DEPLO. Just now here we applied, right? Just now here we applied. Helm list hyphen deployed. Only Helm list. No need to go for status. Anyway, no problem. Helm list. LIST. See, in industry also no need to remember every command, but if we having that memory, that is good. If we having that memory, their Helm list only deployed. Is it clear for you? The same way, Helm list superseded. SUPR, yes, super, SEDED, superseded. You may see all the superseded information, superseded. Which revision is superseded? See, actually, one is superseded, two is deployed. In this scenario, two is superseded, one is deployed. Check it. Actually, one is converted into what? 3, right? Are you understanding or not? One is converted into 3. In this way, we can check it, we can understand it. Now, Helm history, please, we know. Helm status, their Helm status, show resources already, their specific revision, you want to see, we can see it. Their Helm uninstall, that release name. Helm uninstall, finally, Helm, just uninstall this REL -1. It may delete all the revisions. Delete all the revisions. See, Helm just ls. Helm ls. There is no name for REL. Your two documentations over. Your duty is properly understanding, properly implementing. Per day, I may use minimum two, maybe minimum 1 or 2. Maybe within 1 week, I may complete full-fledged help. Even I won't leave single document. Even you may check it here. You may check it here. How many classes are there? How many classes are there? See, one step back. Nearly 47 are there. We will assume among 47, nearly assume 40 to 45 documents I may cover. 40 to 45, nearly it may take 20, but I may finish within 15 classes. Within 15 classes, because of some concepts are repeated. Some concepts are repeated. Maybe they are already, if you something, maybe we may use it somewhere else. I may explain that one, maybe in so and so class we use. You may tell yes, sir. I may skip that concept. Okay, thank you. If any doubt, ask me, or else we are winding the session. Remaining things we will discuss tomorrow. I hope no doubt, right? First time stop record. Srinath garu, no doubt, right? I hope you messaged me. Is it working, right? Okay,
Yeah,
good.
yes, it's working.